Okay, perfect. Thank you very much for sticking with me. Within this module, we're going to go ahead and create a professional email, and then we're going to go ahead and embed that professional email address inside of the website. So that way your contact form entries is able to come to that email address. Along with that, they're able, if they need to contact you, they'll be able to have that information throughout the website as well. All right. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and just get a free email address as of for right now. We'll get into Google Suite later on, which is meaning that you don't want to at gmail.com, but just for right now, we're just going to do it for free. And I'm going to show you step by step on how to get one. All right. So let's go ahead and go to gmail.com. All right. Perfect. Great. And from there, let's go ahead and click on create account. All right. And from here, I normally recommend to put info first for information. So let's go ahead and type in info and then put whatever your website name is going to be. So mine is hair fun time. Okay. All right. And then from there, it's going to automatically embed the information right below by itself. But that's not what I want. All right. So let's go ahead and type in info, then put a period, and then put whatever you just put up there all together. All right. Do not put any spaces in it. All right. Okay, perfect. Great. And from there, you don't have to put at gmail.com, as automatically it's going to embed it by itself. So just to make sure if this username is available, just go ahead and click on password. Now, if it came up red, then that means that somebody already actually have that name. But 9 out of 10 chances, or 8 out of 10 chances, that when you put info dot in front of that particular name, it should be available. All right. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and just type in a password. Okay, and then click on next. All right, perfect, great. Now you could put your phone number in. That's optional. I would recommend putting your phone number here, just in case if you ever get locked out, it can just send a code right away to you. And also on security surveillance, if your email address has been logged in elsewhere and it's not used to the IP address, what it's going to go ahead and do is going to notify you through your email address, inform you that it was someone had logged in your email address at this location. Okay. So if it was you, it'll say yes. If it says no, then it might go ahead and lock it down and have you choose a new password right there. All right. So from right now, let's go ahead and go. What's today? All right. So it is January 17th. So let's go ahead and go with January 17th. Let's go with 1986. All right. From there, male. If you're a female, go ahead and click on female or whatever your choice would be for gender. From there, let's go ahead and click on next. All right, from there, let's go ahead. You read those terms. Once you've read those terms, go ahead and click on I agree. All right, as of right now, let's go ahead and then processing your email address and getting that proper email address ready for you. All right. Okay, voila. Now take a look at this. Now it's just got through loading up my brand new Gmail, and it's totally free. How you like that? Okay. So you can go ahead and click on next. You can click on default, comfortable, or compact. I know I'm gonna keep it on default. That's just how comfortable you want your email address. All right. So as of right now, let's go ahead and go back to our Shopify. From there, let's go ahead and click on settings and click on general. And then now for your customer's email, for them to contact you, you want to go ahead and change that support to info dot whatever email address that you made at gmail.com. All right. From there, go ahead and click save. Perfect. From there, let's go ahead and click on settings in the top left hand corner. Okay. And once you get inside settings, let's go ahead and click on legal. All right, perfect. Now, depending on if you're using Windows or if you're using Mac, well, I'm using Mac right now. So let's go ahead and click on hold Command and press the F button. That means Control Find. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that at the top. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in the new email address that I made. All right. Perfect. And then from there, if it doesn't show it already, then you go back and you type in the very first email address that you have placed inside there. All right. Now, if you notice, I have a populated of 4. All right. So it's going to automatically highlight it. So I'm going to highlight it as well and then delete it and put my new email address, period. Then press down. It's going to take me to the next area. Let me highlight it. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and delete all that. And then place my new email address. Then click the next one. It's going to be this one. Paste. And then the last one. All right. Perfect. Great. Now from there, we would just went ahead and within the refund policy, the privacy policy, the terms of service, we went ahead and changed the email address. And that way, when they go on that page and look at that information, questions about the terms of service should be sent to us at your email address. The new one that we just created. Let's find a different one. And perfect. And you'll see it right there. All right. So let's go ahead and recap on exactly what we've just done. We just went ahead and created a new email address for you. So that way you'll be able to get your correct emails coming to the correct email address. So you made a professional email address. And from there, we went ahead and placed the information of the email address inside of the website. All right. So thank you very much for sticking with me and stay tuned for the next module.